Want to be your own boss? Tired of the daily grind? Affiliate marketing could be your ticket to freedom. It's a real opportunity to take control of your life. You can build a business around your passions. No more alarm clocks. No more asking for permission. Affiliate marketing is simple. You promote other people's products. When someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. You're helping people find what they need, and you're getting paid for it. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building something sustainable. It takes hustle. It takes dedication. But the rewards are worth it. Imagine setting your own hours. Imagine working from anywhere in the world. This is the power of affiliate marketing. You're not just selling products. You're building relationships. You're becoming a trusted advisor. People buy from those they trust. Build that trust, and you'll build a successful business. Let's be real. Money matters. It doesn't buy happiness, but it sure makes life easier. Financial security gives you options. It gives you peace of mind. It allows you to take care of yourself and your loved ones. Don't wait for someone else to secure your future. You are responsible for your own success. It's time to take ownership. It's time to build the life you deserve. Affiliate marketing can be that path to financial security. It can provide a safety net. It can create a future full of possibilities. Stop making excuses. Start taking action. Your future self will thank you. I get it. You might be thinking, it's too late for me. I've heard that excuse a million times. And I'm here to tell you it's BS. I didn't start my first business until I was in my 20s. I was working at my dad's liquor store. I was hustling on the side. I didn't have any special advantages. But I had fire in my belly. I had a vision. And I was willing to outwork everyone else. I've seen countless others achieve incredible success later in life. Single moms building empires from their kitchen tables, retirees finding new purpose and passion. It's never too late to chase your dreams. Believe in yourself, believe in the process. The time is now. Let me tell you something. You are capable of amazing things. You have talents and skills that the world needs. Don't let them go to waste. Affiliate marketing is easier than you think. There are countless resources available to help you succeed. Online courses, coaching programs, a supportive community of like-minded individuals. Stop doubting yourself. Stop listening to the naysayers. Take the first step. Start learning. Start building. The potential rewards are limitless. Financial freedom, time freedom, the chance to make a real impact. What are you waiting for?